everyone, this is Kashish Murchandani from The Art of Making Chocolates and More. I'm here today to talk about the spread of my egg-free brownies and blondie class. This class I give a lot of variations, and to implement the latest market trends I include a lot of varieties which are actually going on in trend right now. So let's start with my first. This is my latest trending tiled brownie, okay, made with my own logo with some decoration on top. This was introduced in today's brownie and blondie class. So this is our latest trend in the market, so we have implemented this in our class, which is a tiled brownie. Okay. So we start with our first one. We talk a lot about the brownies and the blondies. We discuss what is a brownie and what is a blondie, the difference between the two, and we give variations in every blondie. First, I start my class with an egg-free classic brownie where you can do a lot of variations in the same. So we have today done our egg-free classic brownie with pure chocolate. So we have used today everything which is pure chocolate. We have not used compound, and we have also used our Berry Callebaut Callets on top. So this is basically called a brookie. We also show you how to make a cookie dough, and that cookie dough you can convert that into a brownie, layer it, and that's how it becomes a brookie. Brookie is a basically brownie cum cookie. Okay, so that's one. Our second variation in the same form is a cookie cup. So basically we make a cookie cup and then we put in a brownie batter and bake it together. So we call this as a cookie cup brownie with Nutella ganache and some roasted hazelnuts on the top. This is another way where I also showed. This is a complete cookie without a brownie. You can also put in some ganache and decorate your cookie cup. So it's a universal cookie cup used for anything whichever things you want to put in as a filling. Our next one, we come to our swirl brownie. This is our Biscoff swirl brownie with Biscoff Lotus biscuit on top. Another variation in our same liner, we do the pure chocolate brownie with pure chocolate ganache and roasted almonds on top. The next one, this is a Greek yogurt fudgy brownie. You can see the crinkles on top of your brownie. This is a complete gooey, fudgy and a very soft, moist brownie which is made with Greek yogurt, and that's how it makes it very, very crinkle and moist. Next, this is our red velvet. So we have this cream cheese where we have inserted inside as well as on top. We've given the swirls effect, so to give the cream cheese a swirly effect on a red velvet brownie. Coming to your next, these are two varieties of blondies that I teach. That's your cranberry butterscotch blondie, healthy because it's a wheat version as well as no processed sugar used in this particular blondie. Now, as we know, we have a season for mango going on. So we have implemented a new blondie today. I call this as my mango pistachio blondie with white chocolate chips. So you can see literally we have some mango pieces on the top, mango pieces inside. We have some pistachios on the top and as well as inside. Also we have some white chocolate chips for that extra crunch. So this is all what I teach in the egg-free brownies and blondie class. To join in for our next upcoming class, do contact me on 9765127864 or 7709127864. Thank you.